Navigating the 2025 job market, the power of staffing agencies. Tired of endless job applications that lead nowhere? The job market is changing, and you need to adapt to thrive. Let's unlock the secrets to landing your dream job in 2025 using the power of staffing agencies. The economic landscape in 2025 presents unique challenges for job seekers. Competition is fierce, and the skills required are constantly evolving. Securing a job requires a strategic and informed approach. Simply sending out resumes and hoping for the best is no longer enough. Traditional job application methods are becoming less effective. Companies are using different strategies to find the right talent. Understanding modern hiring practices is crucial for success. Knowing how companies are recruiting will give you a significant advantage. Companies prioritize flexibility and cost-effectiveness in today's market. They need to adapt quickly to changing business needs. This has led to an increased use of staffing agencies and temp-to-hire models. These options provide companies with the agility they need. Staffing agencies handle the initial screening and recruitment process. This saves companies valuable time and resources. Temp to hire allows companies to assess a candidate's skills, work ethic, and cultural fit. It's a low-risk way to evaluate potential employees. This minimizes the risk of a bad hire, which can be costly and disruptive. Companies want to be sure they're making the right decision. It also provides a trial period for both the employer and the employee. Both parties can determine if the fit is right before committing to a permanent position. Staffing agencies offer a significant opportunity for job seekers in 2025. They can be your secret weapon in the competitive job market. Agencies have established relationships with numerous companies across various industries. This gives you access to a network you might not otherwise have. This provides access to a wider range of job openings, including those that are never publicly advertised. You'll get a sneak peek at hidden opportunities. Many openings are never advertised publicly, making staffing agencies a valuable resource. These hidden jobs can be a goldmine. Agencies possess specialized knowledge of specific industries and roles. They understand the nuances of different job markets. They can match candidates with positions that are perfectly aligned with their skills and experience. This increases your chances of getting hired. Agencies provide valuable feedback on resumes, helping you craft a compelling and effective application. They know what employers are looking for. They also provide valuable feedback on interview techniques, preparing you to ace your interviews and make a lasting impression. Practice makes perfect. Furthermore, they provide valuable feedback on overall job search strategies, guiding you towards the most effective methods. They're your personal career coaches. Temp to hire is a strategic stepping stone to a permanent position. It's a chance to prove yourself and get your foot in the door. It allows candidates to demonstrate their abilities and work ethic in a real-world setting. Actions speak louder than words. You can build relationships with colleagues and supervisors within the company. Networking is key to long-term career success. This significantly increases your chances of being hired full-time. Companies are more likely to hire someone they already know and trust. It also provides an opportunity to experience the company culture firsthand. You can see if it's a place where you can thrive. You can determine if it's a good fit for your personality and career goals before committing to a permanent role. It's a two-way street. Traditional job search methods are often insufficient in the modern job market. You need to think outside the box. Embrace staffing agencies, temp services, and recruiters as valuable resources. They can significantly boost your job search efforts. This will significantly increase your chances of landing a desirable position in 2025. Don't be afraid to try new approaches. Taking a proactive approach is crucial for success. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out and find them. A willingness to adapt to the evolving hiring landscape is essential. Be open to new strategies and technologies. This is key to navigating the competitive job market of 2025 and achieving your career goals. Your future is in your hands. Ready to take control of your job search? Start by researching staffing agencies in your industry. Some of the top staffing agencies include Adecco, Manpower Group, Kforce, TEKsystems, and Robert Half. Update your resume and tailor it to the types of roles they typically fill. Contact agencies directly, schedule consultations, and let them know you're eager to find the perfect opportunity. Don't wait. Your dream job could be just one agency away.